The killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson is sparking conversations about the U.S. healthcare industry. Today, one of his fellow executives published a guest column in the New York Times. He described Thompson as part of the solution to the system. The CBC's Chris Reyes has been following the latest developments. She joins us now from New York. Chris, tell us more about what was written.
Hi, Natalie. So Andrew Witty is the CEO of UnitedHealth Group, which is the parent company of UnitedHealthcare. He penned a long op-ed in the New York Times, and it is the most extensive response that we've heard so far from this company since the shooting death of Brian Thompson. In it, Witty acknowledged problems in the U.S. healthcare system. He said that no one would design a system the way that it works now, but that it is a patchwork built over decades. He went on to say that it's their mission to make it better. And then, Natalie, this is the interesting part. He went into a fierce defense of Thompson. He talked about Thompson's humble upbringing and how as CEO, he never forgot those families that he grew up with. And that he wasn't content with the status quo, and that he advocated for more affordable, transparent, and compassionate health care. He also said that he and his colleagues will carry the tragedy of Thompson's death for the rest of their lives. Now, this heartfelt post comes as angry comments online against their company and the healthcare insurance industry as a whole have really piled up. This case obviously touching a nerve in this country where it's often hard and expensive to get care when you need it most. And yes, people are sometimes denied coverage. And that's a lot of what the posts online have been about. Perfect example, today in Florida, a woman was charged for threatening her insurance company, and she used the words found written on the bullet casings found when Thompson was shot: delay, deny, depose. Now, the anger, Natalie, is also not limited to healthcare, but broadly against corporate America. Here in New York, posters had to be taken down that threatened other CEOs. And in Seattle, there was a road sign that said "one less CEO," seemingly celebrating Thompson's shooting.
So, Chris, what are the next steps in the case?
Well, prosecutors in New York spent today presenting evidence before a grand jury to try and bolster their case for extradition, which Mangione is fighting, by the way. And remember, Mangione is in a Pennsylvania prison because he was arrested in that state. Now, according to the NYPD, their case is building against Mangione. They've now confirmed that the ghost gun found on Mangione matches the shell casings found at the scene of the crime. And police sources say they may also have matching fingerprints from the scene and the booking.
The CBC's Chris Reyes in New York, thank you very much.